Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about BluPeak's operations outside the United States. BluPeak, which is a credit union, primarily serves members within the United States. Its services, such as branches and physical ATM locations, are based in the U.S. However, this doesn't mean you're completely cut off when you travel. BluPeak debit cards are designed to work at millions of ATM and merchant locations worldwide. They do recommend that you contact them before traveling internationally so they can add travel notes to your account. Additionally, BluPeak offers services like foreign wire transfers, which allow you to send money to accounts outside of the United States. You can also contact them from abroad using their international phone numbers. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.